Think you got what it takes? Welcome to the ultimate test of strength, endurance, and determination, the 100 Burpee Challenge. Burpees are the ultimate full-body workout. They build strength, burn calories, and test your mental toughness. But can you survive doing 100 in one go? Let's break it down. Here's how it works. Start standing tall, drop into a squat, and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank. Perform a push-up. Jump your feet back in. Explode upwards into a jump. That's one rep. Simple, right? Now, repeat 100 times. Your goal: complete 100 burpees as fast as you can. No breaks, no excuses. Time yourself and see how long it takes. Can you beat the 10-minute mark? Only the toughest will. Here are a few tips to help you crush this challenge. Pace yourself. Don't sprint the first 20 and burn out. Focus on form. Keep your back straight and land softly. Stay hydrated. Keep water handy for after you're done. Don't quit. The last 10 burpees are where champions are made. Are you ready to prove yourself? Take on the 100 Burpee Challenge today and let us know how you did in the comments. Share your time, your struggles, and your victory. Push your limits. Challenge your strength. And most importantly, don't stop moving. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more challenges like this. Now go crush those 100 burpees.